Hello everybody, welcome to a brand new DeversiFi tutorial. I'm back today to show you how limit orders work. Before we jump right into limit orders, I want to show you how a market order works first. It's very important to understand that before jumping into something a little bit more advanced. So as you can see here on our screen, we have the price of Bitcoin going at about $56,000. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, you can just type in I want to spend 25 bucks on Bitcoin. It's going to allow me to preview this purchase, and then I can purchase this Bitcoin right now by doing so here. Ta-da! So what I've just done here, that is a that is a market order. A market order is the ability to instantly buy a cryptocurrency or an asset at the going rate displayed on your screen here. Now, limit orders, they are a little bit different. They allow you to pick the price before you buy or sell an asset, but there's a bit of a catch. The reason why I'm not really going to get into or debate here in this video, but for now, I'm just going to explain how a limit order works. When you're doing a buy limit order, it's probably because you're expecting the price to go down pretty soon. You will get to pick the price before you buy, but you have to pick a price that's cheaper than the current going rate. This is known as buying the dip. So let's do an example of a buy limit order here. I'm going to click on limit. We are going to type in our price. So the current market price right now, as you can see on the screen, is 56,536. So we have to do one cheaper than this because we want to buy the dip, because we are expecting the price to go down here pretty soon. So let's just do 54,728. And then I have $50 in my account, so I'm just going to do the maximum amount of Bitcoin I can get for $50. It's going to be that much, so I'm just going to place that order. So now whenever the price reaches 54,728, my order will execute and I'll be able to buy that dip. When you're doing a sell limit order, it's probably because you're expecting the price to rise or increase in the future. So you'll probably want to set up some orders for those future expected prices. Again, you'll be able to pick out those prices that you want, but they just have to be higher than the current going rate for a sell order. So let's do an example here of a sell limit order. We want to sell, right now the current price is 56,551, so we're going to sell maybe at 60,000. And I have this much Bitcoin to sell. So I'm going to click on the maximum amount. So whenever the price of Bitcoin reaches this much dollars, I'll sell this much Bitcoin. And it looks like it's going to be worth about $90 here. And I'm going to place that order. All right, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys learned something new. Please leave a comment if you can down below. Give us a like and please subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.